Hey there, Sumolings, it's Madison from AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're checking out Kroto, an AI-powered tool that helps you create high-quality how-to videos and step-by-step guides in only a few minutes. To start, just download the Chrome extension, then hit record. But don't worry about editing, because Kroto will generate a video with AI voiceover, zoom and pan effects, intros and outros, GIFs, and clip highlights. From there, Kroto's AI can convert the footage into a how-to video or step-by-step guide in just a few minutes. Here's where you can flex your editing chops. Not only can you swap out the AI voiceover, you'll be able to edit the GIFs, add snapshots, dividers, files, audio, change the background, tweak the intro and outro, embed your logo, adjust the border and radius padding, select background music, and then hit publish. Get the most bang for your buck with Kroto's Tier 3 plan. On top of 200 monthly credits, you'll unlock the Knowledge Base Builder, which you can host on a custom domain. All right, let's keep it rolling. So now that you've got support videos, it's time to create a knowledge base. You can create pages, subpages, and nested pages to better organize all of your information. Whether you've got 10 pages or 100, everything's super easy to find thanks to the powerful search feature. And if you're working with a team, you can add collaborators and set up different roles. Kroto even lets you host it on your own domain. Simply add the authentication code to your DNS. You'll be able to reorganize videos and share them with teammates, allowing them to edit the video directly. Want to use the video somewhere else? Just copy the public view link or download them to publish elsewhere. And just like that, you've got video content to support your customers, clients, and internal teams. This could all be yours for one low price. Simply click that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access to Kroto today.